So this is one of the problems that came up in the 2018 ABBC exam. Was question 4, and it's pretty much one of those things that we've been talking about right now, which is finding approximating the instantaneous rate of change by finding the average rate of change. All right. So the height of the tree at time t is given by twice the differentiable function h, where h of t is measured in meters and t is measured in years. Selected values of h of t are given in the table above. So one of the things I want you guys to do for sure every time is like make sure you guys start highlighting stuff. I know t is for time in years, h of t is in meters, right? And I know h of t is pretty much just the height of the tree. Height of tree. All right. And then here they give us an information, right? They give us a table. So that's pretty much the only thing we know about this tree height. It says use the data in the table to estimate. So keyword right there is estimate h prime of 6. So what is the approximation of the instantaneous rate of change, right? So the instantaneous rate of change. So again, when you guys are looking for rates, a rate is again miles per hour, right? Those kind of things. So make sure you guys are thinking that it's something being divided by something else. All right. So that's going to be the case here. So here, if you guys notice, we don't have pretty much a data point for 6. So we can just pretty much figure it out by finding what's h of 5 and then what's h of 7 and then approximate using those two values. So the instantaneous rate of change, h prime of 6, equals h of 7 minus h of 5, and then divided by 7 minus 5. And then here we're going to pretty much just use the data that we already have. This is h of 5, and then this is h of 7. So here we have 11 minus 6 divided by 7 minus 5. That leaves us with 5 over 2. Now, one of the things that you guys have to be careful is that on the AP exam, you really want to make sure that if it's asking you guys for an explanation, make sure you guys have an explanation, right? If it's asking you guys to make sure that you have units right there, here is pretty much where you want to write the units already. So the top represents the height in meters, and then the bottom represents years. So I can say, right, so it says for now, and then it's asking the instantaneous rate using a proper average rate of change. Okay. So using correct, interpret the meaning of h prime, right? So what we want to see is that we can say that the tree is growing at a rate of 5 meters every 2 years. All right. And that's more than enough. Go straight to the point, and that would be pretty much your explanation. And then if you guys want to take a time to actually look at the graphs that are right there. So what are the things that we can find with calculus, right? The tables that illustrate the power 4 questions that calculus can answer. Many of these you will learn in Calc AB, but others will be discussed until Calculus BC. All right.